Double-sided tape is a convenient adhesive alternative to glue. There are many products available to choose double-sided, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best double-sided from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Eslifago double-sided tape, made of an acrylic and gel hybrid material. This nearly 10-foot roll of double-sided tape is a practical and simple way to adhere to various items with ease. Potential applications include hanging lightweight shelves, picture frames, posters, paintings, and more. What customers are saying. Happy customers used this double-sided tape indoors and outdoors. They valued the strength, tackiness, and durability that this roll of tape offered. Ease of use was another highlight in multiple positive reviews. Unhappy customers struggled to get the tape to hold heavy items in place. It also took wall paint with it when customers removed it. What we like about it. Holds your items in temperatures that are between 0 and 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Doesn't leave behind a sticky residue. Can wash and reuse the pieces. What we don't like about it. Comes with a single roll. Doesn't stick to textured walls. Number 2. Bell Howell double-sided tape. This double-sided tape is a versatile option for adhesion. It's 2 mm thick and 3 cm wide, providing ample surface area coverage. The adhesive material instantly bonds to various surfaces without peeling or curling from temperature or weather changes. What customers are saying. Positive feedback for this tape included ease of use, reusability, strength, and versatility. While most customers thought that this double-sided tape was offered at an affordable price, some users struggled to adhere items to certain surfaces, such as brick. Select users also had issues removing the tape. What we like about it. Comes with 3 10-foot rolls. Holds up to 17.5 pounds. Doesn't require curing or drying time. What we don't like about it. Not suitable for painted walls. Can damage your surfaces if you use it improperly because it's so sticky. Number 3. Fearless Tape double-sided tape. This double-sided tape is specifically designed to hold loose or sagging clothing in place without irritating your skin. If you have a strapless dress that you constantly have to pull up, this tape can help. Plus, it won't discolor or dismantle fabric threads. What customers are saying. Most customers, even those with sensitive skin and expensive clothing, had a positive experience using this double-sided tape. They said that it was easy to apply the pre-cut strips. However, some users had issues getting the tape to adhere to sweaty skin. Other customers with long nails had difficulty removing the tape without someone else's help. What we like about it. Comes in pre-cut strips. Comes in a clear color to blend into all skin tones. Doesn't irritate skin. What we don't like about it. Not strong enough for anything other than clothing. Includes only 50 pieces of tape. Number 4. Amazon Basics double-sided tape. This dispenser applies a thin line of tape exactly where you need it. Though most of the tape is clear, it has small dots along its surface to guide you. Once you're done using it, you can put the cap back on the dispenser to prevent the tape from unintentionally unraveling. What customers are saying. Positively, customers valued this dispenser because it had a similar design to the familiar correction tape for pen ink mistakes. While most customers thought that the tape was easy to use, some expressed frustration that it didn't come with instructions. The adhesive also got stuck on several users' hands. What we like about it. Has a removable cap on the dispenser. Backed by a 1-year warranty. Rolls on light correction tape. What we don't like about it. Designed only for light-duty use on paper. Requires a few minutes after application to dry. Number 5. Zfaston double-sided tape. This convenient 3-pack offers over 300 feet of double-sided tape that you can cut to your precise needs. It's specifically designed for beginner and professional carpenters alike, as it works with various woodworking machines and doesn't leave residue or peel finish. What customers are saying. Positively, customers were satisfied with the tackiness of this double-sided woodworking tape. The amount of tape was also suitable for large projects. Negatively, some users found the tape to be soft, which made it difficult to cut to their desired size. What we like about it. Has a cloth backing to resist curling. Doesn't lift or chip the wood when you remove it. Designed by woodworkers who collaborated with other carpenters on their needs. What we don't like about it. Doesn't have a transparent color like most double-sided tape. Designed for wood specifically.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier.